I just ran into the door.
You okay?
Yeah. We ordered pizza earlier. 2 boxes of pizza. Actually, Wendy's. Fun fact, Wendy's sell pizza. Unlike the US, Wendy's actually sells pizza here in the country of Georgia. We purchased 2 medium-sized pizza for roughly, I would say somewhere between $9 and $10 delivered. So we got this place for just right at $31 per night overlooking the Black Sea. But before we give you the awesome view, hold on, what's that? What? There we go. Let's do it. Let's swing it back. Swing it back. Bam. Comfortable bed. Really, really comfortable. Oh man. Massive screen, flat screen. It's a smart TV. We have sad screen. Just watched 2 movies thus far. It's a little bit cold outside. It's not so much cold. It's just windy and with the temperature, it's only 58 degrees, right?
Yeah.
More or less 15 Celsius, but it's windy. We're so close to the ocean. This place is still under construction. They have sold a lot of the units, one of which we're in now, but a majority of the building is still under construction. So yeah, $31 a night. Even the mini bar is cheap. The mini bar is pretty cheap. It's not expensive. Oh, we got an aircon, of course. That blows hot and cold air. I'm not gonna entertain that question because you're trying to warp me to get me some, and she's been working from there, right there. And yeah, you really can't see the view. You can tell. So I'm gonna pop outside. But, oh, look at the sun. Oh, it feels much better. A lot warmer. Oh my goodness, that's a lot warmer. So here we are. This is our view. And just wrap around. But that's the ocean, the Black Sea. This is our view. That's the next unit next door. It's fairly decent size, I think. Balcony. But wow. Oh, and if you're wondering, the sun will set right over there. So we get to see the sunset. But that's the beach. I'll be running on the beach tomorrow morning. Doing getting some cardio in, as well as body workout. Push-ups, pull-ups. Check that out, right? So worth the $31. So worth it. Yeah, check out that view. Oh, you kidding me? Look at that. Yeah, Batumi just arrived a few hours ago by train. We'll be here for a few days, so there'll be more footage, of course. I just want to do a quick tour of what you can get in Batumi, overlooking the ocean, for about $31. Now it depends on what time of the year you decide to travel here, but it's currently May, first week of May. Yeah, and this is it. Let me close this door, and then I can end this tour. Make it quick, but so worth it. Yeah, it's $15 each. There it is. That's that view. Hold on. Gotta get. Oh, wait. There it is. Hi. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Peace. Okay. I found this spot. I'd like to give myself credit. All right.